Hi everyone, I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple cake recipe for your mother. It's Mother's Day. Say Happy Mother's Day to your mother. This is going to be posted on my Facebook, but through YouTube. What I went ahead and did is spray my pan, and it's ready to go. Simple recipe. You can use any white cake you want. I'm using super moist. That's confirming my appointment. I'm having knee surgery. You follow the recipe like it is, like cup in 1/3. I just put the oil in first. 1/4, sorry. 1/4 a cup. Like so. Confirming appointment. Over because we don't need it. First cup of soup. The only thing I would say, I'm going to be adding something to this moist cake because my mom likes cherries. I don't care what brand you use, cherry pie filling. Just add it right into it. I'm going to add the whole can. I have a peach version of this one, but it's not the cherry. It's not the pie filling one. Where I take actual canned pears, peaches, and drain it. I used juice instead of water. I was going to get jarred cherries, but nah. So you mix this in. As you can tell, I don't have a mixer, but I kind of like doing it old style. So you mix it. Like so. Yeah. Sorry guys. Make sure you try to get the bottom part and some of those clumps out. How's that look, guys? But here's the thing. I'm not adding my 3 eggs yet. I chicken flame eat eggs when they're in the mood for it. Look at that egg. Pretty good size. So I crack each one individually, and I'm going to add it into that. Because I don't want to get a bad egg and ruin the whole thing. To me, that's not an option. That's one. too. And a 3. I'm going to be doing another recipe real soon. They're all going to be posted up in the same day. I'll be posting videos after the surgery. And you guys know how I'm doing. Well, I'm going to be able to get back into baking and everything. Let's mix this as best you can. Okay, it's ready to be poured in. Do it like so. I'm going to bake this for 20 minutes or until it's done. Set my timer for the frosting. So my mom loves cherry topping. I did not know they exist. This one's going to go a little longer than usual. It's because I'm going to make another recipe, but I'm going to be right back. So I'm going to stop this and I'll pick up. Okay, this is the second part. I'm going to make a corn pudding. Same temperature as the cake. You need, since I'm doubling the recipe, you'll need 2 cream style corn and 2 whole corn, which I'm going to drain them in a little bit, the whole corns. 2 cups of sugar, 6 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I'll be explaining this as I go. The original recipe will be 1 cup of cream style corn, 1 cup of regular corn, drained, a cup of sugar, 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of flour, and 1/4 stick of butter melted. I already got my butter melted. I'm going to start with my dry ingredients. I need 2 cups of sugar. I'll be off screen. Why don't I switch this around? Be easier. That's one side off. Okay. Let me see this a lot better. cup of sugar, the original. 2 cups. Because I'm giving some of this to a friend that lives next door. 4 tablespoons of flour. One, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1 teaspoon. I'm gonna go through. I have 6 eggs. For my next one, not all of them's gonna be farm made because I don't have enough of that part. I'm going to do the same thing I did for the cake. I don't think my chickens need any mush. I get it for them anyway. That's 1. Some of them are tiny. 2. 3. 4. Eggshell. Got them out too. 4. Store-bought now. 5. 6. I'm going to go ahead and mix that up a little bit. Okay, got that part done. Then we're going to need a teaspoon of vanilla. That's for the original recipe. That's for doubling it. And I gotta get into the milk. Which I already had out. I've tried it so many times already. No, the spoon and the fork is vanishing. There we go. Ish. One. Fork doesn't want to stay with us. Fishing the fork out one more time. And put it somewhere where not foggy. Wash my hands. Go and put some things away. Kind of clean up in the process. I'm a little lazy. Half the time. Okay. I got my milk, flour. I just need to add the butter. And I need to work on that. But first, mix it. Now I need to get my can opener. Open it all the way because I gotta drain it. Okay, I'm going to drain these real quick. That's one. And two. Throw them away. Now we're at the cream style corn part. That's one. You could add salt, pepper, it's to your taste. I don't, because if I use salt, I bloat up. It's okay to use salt, but throws something away, my cat jumps. You mix this, but not over mix. Cake should be done. It should be. Well, I'm not going to stop in the middle of this process because I don't smell it yet. You just pour this in. Try to get all of it. And that's what I'm going to be trying to do. Get all of it. That's all I'm going to get. That will look easy on my mom. Okay. Before I can put anything in that oven, I gotta check something that's already in there. Get my trusty little glove. It might be done. Guess what? Knife's clean. It's done. So we're going to let that cool off for a little bit. Put that there. This cooks for about an hour. But I'm going to fix my mom a simple lunch. So, when that cools, I'll be adding this frosting to it. That looks and smells like cherries. Well, I want to give thanks to every mother out there. Give a big shout out. And I would show you my mom, but she's probably going to say no. Right, Mom? What? You want to be in my video? No. Told you. Well, everyone, happy Mother's Day. Give your mother a big hug. Fix her something. Anything. If you can't cook, take her to McDonald's. And say you thought of her. Have a blessed day, everyone.